The highly anticipated release of Motorola's flagship phone, the Moto Edge 50 Pro. This device marks Motorola's resurgence in the competitive smartphone market, promising to deliver innovation, power, and style in abundance. Join me as we explore every aspect of this cutting-edge device and what it means for the industry. Motorola has been a pioneering force in the realm of mobile technology for decades, and with the Moto Edge 50 Pro, they're reclaiming their position at the forefront of innovation. After years of refining their craft, Motorola is ready to showcase their best work yet in 2024. The Edge 50 Pro symbolizes a new chapter for the brand, one that's filled with promise and potential. One interesting facet of the Moto Edge 50 Pro is its naming strategy. While it will be known as the Edge 50 Pro globally, it will adopt different monikers in various markets. In China, consumers can expect to see it marketed as the Motorola X50 Ultra, while in the US, it will likely bear the name Motorola Edge Plus 2024. This flexible approach demonstrates Motorola's adaptability to regional preferences and market dynamics. The Moto Edge 50 Pro is not just a powerhouse of technology, it's also a visual marvel. Available in 3 stunning colors, purple, black, and a unique silver-white stone variant, this device exudes sophistication and elegance. The textured backs, reminiscent of faux leather, add a touch of luxury to the design, setting it apart from its competitors. With its sleek profile and attention to detail, the Edge 50 Pro is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. At the heart of the Moto Edge 50 Pro lies the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, a testament to Motorola's commitment to delivering unparalleled performance. This powerhouse chipset ensures smooth multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and seamless gaming experiences. With the Gen 3 CPU, Motorola has pushed the boundaries of mobile processing power, setting a new standard for flagship performance. While some manufacturers have shifted towards flat displays, Motorola has stayed true to its signature curved screen design with the Edge 50 Pro. Boasting a generous 6.7-inch display with a blistering 165 Hz refresh rate, this device offers an immersive viewing experience that's tailor-made for gaming enthusiasts. Whether you are watching movies, scrolling through social media, or playing the latest AA titles, the Edge 50 Pro's display delivers stunning visuals with unmatched fluidity. Photography aficionados, rejoice! The Moto Edge 50 Pro is equipped with a triple camera setup that's sure to impress. Anchored by a 50-megapixel main sensor with an impressive f1.4 aperture, this camera system delivers breathtaking clarity and detail in every shot. Paired with wide-angle and telephoto lenses, users can capture a diverse range of perspectives with ease. With features like laser autofocus and optical image stabilization, OIS, the Edge 50 Pro ensures that every moment is captured with precision and clarity. Embracing AI. In line with the latest trends in smartphone technology, the Moto Edge 50 Pro is poised to embrace the power of artificial intelligence, AI. With Motorola's emphasis on AI integration, users can expect smarter, more intuitive experiences across the board. From enhanced camera capabilities to personalized voice assistance, AI is set to elevate the user experience to new heights. With the Edge 50 Pro, Motorola is not just delivering a smartphone, they're ushering in a new era of intelligent connectivity. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro represents the pinnacle of smartphone innovation. With its striking design, formidable performance, and cutting-edge features, it's poised to make a significant impact in the market. As Motorola continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology, the Edge 50 Pro stands as a testament to their unwavering commitment to excellence. So, what are your thoughts on the Moto Edge 50 Pro? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.